Chapter 3 Introduction to Access
2019.
Preprocessing Database Management System DBMS Components of Access
2019.
Window Working with Databases Sorting Records in a Data Sheet Components of Design View Microsoft Access
2019.
Database Objects Working with Tables Design View in Access Working with Tables in the Design View. You have learned to create data lists in Excel
2019.
and manipulate them in various ways. Microsoft Access
2019.
is a database creation and management software which allows you to store and manage large amount of data efficiently. Before working on Microsoft Access
2019.
let us learn about the basics of Database Management System. Database Management System DBMS. A database is a collection of processed information related to a particular topic or purpose so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. For example, a school maintains a database of students containing information about their admission number, name, date of birth, address, class, mode of transportation, and fee details. A database can be manual or computerized. Manual database is the simplest and most common type of database. It consists of paper records, folders, and filing cabinets. Some examples of manual databases are students' progress reports, diaries, atlases, dictionaries, and encyclopedias. Computerized database is a soft copy of information in the form of electronic files stored on a hard disk or other storage media. Some examples of computerized database are Aadhaar database and Indian Railways database. A computerized database can store a vast amount of data. One can easily find a specific record in such a database. A manual database, on the other hand, contains a limited amount of data and is prone to errors. Databases touch all aspects of our lives. Databases are used by telecom companies to keep track of the information regarding calls made, network usage, customer details, etc. Industries to keep records of raw material used, units produced, and production schedules. Banks to store customer information, track day-to-day credit and debit transactions, and generate bank statements. Education sector to store and retrieve the data regarding details of students, staff, attendance, courses, exams, and payroll data. Online shopping sites to store the information regarding products, customers, and payments. A database management system, DBMS, is required to maintain and access a computerized database. DBMS is a software that enables the user to create a database and add, modify, and delete data in it. It provides an interface that is both convenient and efficient to use. Database management systems can be based on different data models. A data model is a collection of concepts and rules for the description of the structure of the database. Some examples of data models are network, hierarchical, and relational. A relational database is the most commonly used type of database model. It stores data in the form of tables. A table organizes data into rows called records and columns called fields. Each record in a database contains data about one entity. Each field defines information of a certain type for all records. Each table is given a unique name to identify it. Let us view the structure of a table. The above table contains information about some states of India. It has 4 fields: name, capital, language, and area for the records Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and West Bengal. A DBMS based on the relational model is known as Relational Database Management System, RDBMS. Some popular relational database management systems include Microsoft Access
2019.
IBM DB2, Oracle, MySQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. 1. Controls data redundancy. Data redundancy refers to the duplication of data. In a DBMS, all the data of an organization is integrated into a single database file. Users access the centralized database and do not maintain duplicate copies on their computers. 2. facilitates data sharing. A DBMS stores data at a centralized location and facilitates sharing of data among multiple users according to their requirements. 3. Controls data inconsistency. Data inconsistency exists when different versions of the same data appear in different places. DBMS controls data inconsistency by updating the centralized database. 4. Ensures data integrity. A DBMS supports database integrity. Data integrity means that the data updated in the database follows standard rules and formats for all users. 5. Ensures data security. A DBMS ensures data security and privacy. It allows creation of user accounts and granting them various access rights to prevent unauthorized access and modification of data. Microsoft Access
2019.
Microsoft Access
2019.
is one of the most popular RDBMS. It provides tools to create, edit, and update databases quickly and easily. Starting Access
2019.
To start Access
2019.
1. Click the Start button on the taskbar. The Start menu appears. 2. From the list of all programs, click Access. Access
2019.
starts and the Access Start screen appears. It provides several options for opening an existing database or creating a new database. 3. Click the Blank Database button. A dialog box appears. 4. Specify the name and location for the database and click the Create button. The Access 2016 window opens. Components of Access
2019.
window. Let us understand various components of Access
2019.
window. Title bar. The title bar present at the top of the Access window displays the name of the current database and the path to the folder where the database is stored. It also contains control buttons, minimize button, maximize button, and close button. Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar present on the left side of the title bar contains buttons for commonly used commands. By default, Save, Undo, and Redo buttons are present on it. You can customize the Quick Access toolbar by adding or removing commands. Ribbon. The ribbon present below the title bar is divided into various tabs. A tab contains set of commands related to a specific type of task. Each tab is further divided into one or more groups of commands related to a particular task. The main tabs present on the Access
2019.
ribbon are Home, Create, External Data, Database Tools, and Help. File tab. The File tab present below the Quick Access toolbar is used to open the Backstage view. The Backstage view displays information about the current database and provides options to create, open, save, print, and close the database. It also provides options to change various settings in Access. Navigation pane. The navigation pane present at the left of the Access window displays a list of all the objects in the database. It organizes objects into groups on the basis of their type, such as tables, queries, forms, and reports. You can open, rename, and delete objects using the navigation pane. You can also hide or show the navigation pane as required. Work area. The work area present at the center of the Access window is the area where you work on objects in a database. Access
2019.
displays all open objects in tabs on the Document tabs bar. You can simply select a tab associated with an object to display it in the work area. Record navigation bar. The Record navigation bar present at the bottom of the work area provides options to navigate through records and search for data. Status bar. The status bar located at the bottom of the Access window displays information about the current database. It also contains buttons to switch between the different views of the current database object. Knowledge discovery. Tell me what you want to do box on the ribbon lets you quickly access features and execute commands based on words or phrases you type in it. Database objects. Databases in Access are composed of 6 objects: tables, forms, queries, reports, macros, and modules. These objects let you enter, view, analyze, and present the data as desired. Table. A table organizes data in form of rows and columns in a database. Form. A form lets you enter and display data in a customized format. Query. A query searches and retrieves data from the database based on a set of selection criteria. Report. A report displays the data in a printable format. Macro. A macro automates the tasks that are performed more often in the database. Module. A module contains programming statements written in VBA programming language. Working with databases. Access
2019.
lets you create a database by using a predefined template or from a blank database. Creating a database by using a template. Access provides a wide variety of templates that can be used to create a database quickly. A database template is a pre-designed database complete with professionally designed tables, forms, and reports. You can modify the design of any of these objects as per your requirement. To create a new database using a template, 1. Click the File tab. The Backstage view opens. 2. Select the New option. A list of pre-designed templates is displayed. 3. Click the template you want to use. A dialog box opens. 4. Specify the name and location for the database and click the Create button. Access creates a new database according to the selected template. Creating a new database from blank database. Instead of using a template, you can create a new database by building your own tables, forms, reports, and other database objects in a blank database. To create a new blank database, 1. Click the File tab. The Backstage view opens. 2. Select the New option. 3. Click the Blank Database button. A dialog box opens. 4. Specify the name and location for the database and click the Create button. Access creates a new blank database with an empty table named Table 1. Opening an existing database. You can open a database that you have created and saved earlier to view, add, or edit the existing data in it. To open an existing database, 1. Click the File tab. The Backstage view opens. 2. Select the Open option. 3. Click the Browse option. The Open dialog box opens. 4. Select the database you want to open and click the Open button. The selected database is opened in the Access window. Post-processing. A database is a collection of processed information related to a particular topic or purpose so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. DBMS is a software that enables the user to create a database and add, modify, and delete data in it. Access
2019.
is a relational database management system, RDBMS. Databases in Access are composed of 6 objects: tables, forms, queries, reports, macros, and modules. A field stores a single value for an entity, while a record contains data about one instance of an entity. A table can be created in Access using the Datasheet view or the Design view. The Design view allows you to design the structure of a table, add fields to a table, specify the data types, add descriptions, and set properties for the fields. A primary key is a field or set of fields with values that are unique throughout a table and is used to identify records in a table.